In this video, I will show you how to back up your lectures or your videos using ARIC Media Stations. So for that, we need to go to the menu Upload. Then the lectures can be backed up automatically or manually. If you want to do them automatically, you have some options here on the submenu called Auto Upload. You click on Auto Upload and you can define whether if you want to back up your videos right after recording is completed or if you want to have it scheduled. A schedule means that in a specific time, the media station will use all of its resources only to back up all of the lectures that have been recorded on that day. So you just need to click on daily schedule and define what will be the time, start time and end time for you to back up those lectures. So it's a task that could be done daily. Now, as well, you can also define what you want to upload to your server. Do you want to upload just a mixed video? Do you want only the original sources? Or do you want all recorded files? It's up to the end users, whatever you want to have on the server. And as well, we also have the option to delete the video right after it has been uploaded or right after it has been backed up to the server. Okay? Now, in order to do the backing up, you need to first of all define if you want to do it via FTP or via SFTP, or as well if you want to use any of the platforms that we currently support, such as OpenCast, Panopto, or Kaltura. As soon as you do that, you also need to define what will be the URL of the server where you want to record this, the port, which by default usually is 21, and the folder where you want to have the backup done. Then as well, you need to enter your username and password. And as soon as you do that, you can check if everything has been done correctly by pressing here on this blue button, which says connection test. In our case, the connection was done successfully. So from this moment on, any video which is recorded right after we did the settings is going to be uploaded to the server. It's going to be backed up to the server. If you want to see the status of the videos, if they have been backed up or not, you can go to Video Manager. On Video Manager, let's leave this menu. On Video Manager, you're going to have an icon. The icon, this one in green, means that these videos have been already uploaded to the server. In case that, let's say we did the settings right after, before this video. So from this moment forward, all of the videos will be uploaded to the server. So if you want the rest of the videos to also go to the server, you need to click on them like this and then press on the upload button, just like I'm doing right now. And this is how you can upload your videos manually. Right now, this arrow changed to blue, which means in this very moment, we are uploading this video to the server. If you have any questions, please go to our website, www.a-tena.com, and please contact us if you wish to know more about it. Thank you very much.